Hey there, audio and home theater enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Marantz's new Cinema Series 2 home theater receivers. These bad boys are taking home entertainment to the next level, and I'm here to break down why these receivers are a game changer for movie buffs, gamers, and music lovers alike. So what's all the hype about? Well, Marantz has taken their already impressive cinema range and amped it up with some serious upgrades. These receivers are all about delivering an immersive, emotionally charged entertainment experience, and they've got the tech to back it up. At the core of each Cinema Series 2 receiver is a brand new 32-bit, 8-channel DAC. Now, this might sound like a mouthful, but let me break it down for you. This DAC is like the heart of the receiver, converting digital audio signals into the analog sound we hear. And with 8 channels, it's like having a dedicated sound engineers working simultaneously to deliver precise, crystal clear audio. The result? Well, it's pretty impressive. You get improved imaging, meaning the sound is more accurately placed in your listening environment. Dynamic expression is enhanced, so those action-packed movie scenes and intense gaming moments will really come alive. And the surround performance is more coherent, creating a truly immersive experience. But that's not all. Marantz has also focused on connectivity and gaming compatibility. These receivers are future-proofed with next-generation connectivity options, ensuring you can enjoy the latest streaming services and gaming consoles without any hassle. And for gamers, the support for 1440p video pass-through and FreeSync compatibility means smoother, tear-free gameplay with lower latency. Now, let's talk about the models. The Cinema Series 2 range offers something for everyone, whether you're creating a dedicated home theater, upgrading your family entertainment room, or integrating premium AV into a compact space. The flagship Cinema 50 Series 2 packs a punch with 9 channels of amplification and 11.4 channels of processing, along with advanced Dirac support and other cool features. The Cinema 60 Series 2 and Cinema 60dB Series 2 bring many of the platform's latest innovations to a wider audience, including Dirac Live Ready and the new DAC architecture. And for those with space constraints, the Cinema 70 Series 2 continues Marantz's slimline design, while offering the same upgraded DAC and enhanced streaming capabilities as its bigger siblings. One feature that really stands out to me is the Dirac Live Room Correction, which is now available as an upgrade option on more models. This technology allows for tighter bass, improved timing accuracy, and a larger listening sweet spot, ensuring an optimal audio experience no matter where you're sitting in the room. Marantz has also future-proofed these receivers with a firmware update that will add low-latency Bluetooth LE audio, reducing wireless listening delay for compatible headphones and mobile devices. And the upgraded HEOS platform delivers a more responsive streaming experience, making it easier to access your favorite music and podcasts. For professional custom installers, the HDMI Diagnostics 2.0 within CI mode provides automated HDMI verification and advanced troubleshooting, streamlining the installation process. And the new channel-level monitoring feature across all Cinema Series 2 models makes it easier to verify speaker operation and system performance, ensuring your setup is running smoothly. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Marantz Cinema 50 Series 2 starts at $3,000, while the Cinema 60 Series 2 is priced at $2,000. The Cinema 70 Series 2 comes in at $1,500. These prices might seem steep, but when you consider the advanced features, sound quality, and future-proofing these receivers offer, they're a solid investment for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment experience. So there you have it, folks. Marantz's Cinema Series 2 home theater receivers are a force to be reckoned with. With their focus on sound quality, connectivity, and gaming compatibility, these receivers are a dream come true for anyone looking to create an immersive, emotionally engaging entertainment space. Personally, I think these receivers are a testament to Marantz's commitment to delivering exceptional audio experiences. And with a range of models and features, there's something for every home theater enthusiast out there. I hope this breakdown has given you a better understanding of why Marantz's Cinema Series 2 is worth the hype. Now, go ahead and treat yourself to an upgraded home theater experience. Until next time, stay tuned and keep exploring the world of audio excellence.